Hi, welcome. My name is Kat Whipple, and I am so glad that you decided to take this course. You are now on your way to learning the most amazing editing program on the planet, Adobe Photoshop. Since this course is about taking your family photos and turning them into gifts that your family will love, I would like to show you a couple of the things that I have made for my family members over the years.
I just wanted to show you a couple of things that I've made recently for some of my family members. This first one is a gift that I made for my nephew, and the only thing that is natural or my artwork is the photo of his head. Everything else is composited together from various other images. And then I took that same piece of artwork and I resized it to fit into his Facebook banner page. So you can make Facebook banners for people with your Photoshop design skills. And then this is another Facebook banner that I made for my brother, sort of going off the whole thing that a man's home is his castle. And people love these kinds of gifts. They're unique, they're one of a kind. They can't find them in a store, they can't buy them online, and they're made by somebody that they know and love. And so those are just a couple of ideas. And there are a million other ideas out there as far as what you can do with the artwork that you create from your family photos.
By the time you're done with this course, you will be making amazing artwork for your family as well. And again, thank you so much for signing up. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave me a comment or send me an email message. And again, thank you.